Batisi TV, Lawan Rashipi Daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter A-Rox 155, Ringkat Bakanet Foodish, Ordar Mapi, Ninwan Ramani, Hakir Dobying Jompi.
Hado arspa khandai pinyo ngut ki samla ki bala pendep iki kedan puli baper kila ishimenta haka job mela bala pelong daka din dayal upadhaya gramin Kaushalya Yojana Meghalaya haka mi mintudu Jowai West Gentia Hills District haka lai tarik unopra arhajar arpuar haka ne ka job mela ki dan bun teli ki company ki bala ishimenta ban pendep shapang ki lat yokam shaki samla ki bakinthop haka hospitality healthcare fashion automotive telecom apparel retails bat kiwe haka bakini ki company ki dei bawan na Shabar jong ka jilla la pli pai ba ekani ka job mela do MDC jong ka not Jowai constituency uba bright star chermang ubla longkum ukongsan nakini ki arspa khandai phinyongot ki dan prapusan ngot ki bala Shah Jied bat nakini ki prapusan ngot la Jied pat sa shiphongot haka bala IT ru haki yaki appointment letter
or Guwahati and Pan India, na? Yeah, Pan India. There are lots of people working in
The next is this neon uniform. They are in the sector of communication.
This is very much in demand because they are doing this tower. They got contracts in Meghalaya as well. So they are recruiting. You got
Your contact number you just later on will provide you.
Hello, sir.
So you just little bit briefing you give what kind of job you provide.
We are providing BPO and KPO, and it's call center customer service executive, and it's in Gujarat, in all over India, but we prefer to send in Gujarat because Gujarat being a peaceful state and the cost of living is very less out there.
Continue with them, you please interact with your chief guests and just give the briefing like what kind of job you are providing and RD.
We are the journalists from the wellness sector. We do provide some services at the different hotels of the area. We do select the people and we give them the training also, and then we give them we send them at the locations as well. Okay. At the locations we do provide the on-duty meals and we have the food and accommodation facilities with all the staff in the hotel.
Skill Link Placement Scheme under Ministry of Rural Development, where we provide trainings under various trades ranging from hospitality, we have logistic, we have power technician, we have healthcare sector as well, to name a few. We have our PIAs, who call us the implementing agency, who are providing all the trainings. We are having our training center in Assam. So we have placed many candidates and we have trained around 1,000 candidates so far in our Meghalaya state. So this job fair is a part of our program where we give direct contact the employer with the candidates who are searching for job. I think you know the job in the government sector is reducing day by day. So this is a platform for all of us to take this opportunity so that we can stand in our own feet.
Ini ke program pada nyabak kita orang program ko ayok sarkar India. Kat orang mi kisni ki kontrol yang I dang man memkre memki ko chamthau ko kre to ki nyabak man ki ko lut ipor isni ki nyabak mana dep ke pura putih ko sarkar India dapat banyak bahawa da bicar banyak ko kecim cikeng ko ya kecing em ki kena kontrol ki wa em ki mo memkre memki dari buk ni program ini cina kami ni program ya tie up ko company ko pair ko em hapok ke ni ke ri India yang ni bah yo ki ikre ya ki control yang ni kam tam yoi kat orang mi ki sini ki krek sarkar man ki uduna mi de pendap ya ki control yang ke ri India orok kubi kat kamte kat ni ka sarkar central government rejim ko gani galat kamon utuk kilat kuluki uyarap ye ki control ni kenang wa ki control ni yo krek yo ki ha ga chingim yo ki ba man ki control ki wa em ka krek ki like ki nei wan i jing ni like ki nei wan i si i roi ba dalam em krek em ki bon ga jingmut cepat yo dang wan ki bon jaj ki wa wan ha ki jingmut cepat ni ye yo man ko ye ko ya lam chi chai si le ye ko ya lam chi ko ti ko mi to ulai kat kam wa jingkwa yo imlang salang ta ngani liang nga siaw man ong kerpat ya pi kan gorong ki control usia ba bi chimkia hawa kaniga central government da elat ko ya pi anam per ba tipche man itu haden no dabi inquiry no ro kini ki company ko per ko wan he kaniga for the chami wa help you like red like ki untuk hagani po ka state yang ni help you like red Shabar state ni MG Ddk-Guy company ko ye pa IP chado Jabari na ta kerpat ya pi kam ki control wa em gani galat siapa u chim ni ham kan ham em ka mesim ko sbe ulai na pa bon hagi jat brung ni jo chami wa ikwa em hapo ba gani ka state ni kwa em hajan ba re kawaman kan ni da chania ya kita ke jikwa yang ni man ye de po ni mi de yo kre yo ki ne ba yoi ka nang mi kisni war hai la nang duna ki kre ki how em gani ka opportunity api yo pi kre ki api dengan le nga kamu chepka sa gani kisni penna wa ki control yang ka rilom jentiang i warok gawi snya ba bi chimkia o ya kali na gani ki stall ko per ki wa ki expert da chongi ki ubatai pi ki jat kre ki jat ki ki ubatai pi na dong chadong da chim gani galat we kam ju le nga di galiang nga dong pernah ya ki hapo konsesi nga ki control ta ki won ki ha chunong ka pernah ki da ba na galiang ka sarkar ong le deb ki lin tu ba praki wa ong man deb ni tau bu ki ya ka office hapo block dai control ye ki wan ni likely ta block pang ka jingtip ko company nang yo ki ka jingtip ko paka achwa ki like join ki ni sia krek ki ha ki wan ki company ki sia sok ki ta le ngas sen e ko play waro ki em ta chwa chonga e ko play ya pi do ki organizer ko wa krek ye ni program ko man ko elat ya ki control ki ki yo ki ya kataga krek ki ki be kaman gala kaman ko wan ra ya ke jing matoy hapo ka district yang ni hapo ni ka penar lagi district yang ni go wan ra jing matoy le mentai ki control yang ni yo ki krek ki hang yo ki le ke jing matoy yo ki le ye yin hal ki jong ki chat na ba ki pe ki pa ki yang ni dedep ki pentip start ndai man menjadi ki usaha orang cipta dari MK mi yin lagi jong jat MK mi pendapat biang yai nebak itip be ha jing im ha jing lalu ti yang ni dau MG kalong jung lang sem yang ni man dari man da biang kra yang ki yang ni ye pendap ye kalong jung lang sem ni section e ku blai ki di waro ki di organizer ki da penkra chitom ya kan di program wan ra ha kan di sini man go program ko eji metoy program ko man ko em jingerman nemta kajai bru galawe gengi tedo ini ten kajak ko blai chibo
Okay, so we will call you back in an hour and then we will give you the offer letter. If you have any question, you can ask me so that I can explain others.
These who are 1-2 years, if they have those experience, then we give on the job training. Because what they work is usually Maruti, because Maruti is lots, no, this side. But Hyundai is we need specialized training, so they should already have an experience that we can give another 1-2 months specialized training. So But if you have someone like that who's experienced,
Not experienced, they are fresher.
fresher is a bit difficult.
See. We don't need that much qualification that you have to be 10th pass or you have to be graduate. Not like that. Main thing is that you have to understand English. Okay, why? Because you need to read the prescription and you have to give the medicine to the patient according to the prescription. So that you need to know the English. If you are 7th pass also, if you are 5th pass also, if you understand English, then you are most welcome. We have vacancy for you. Okay. If you want to walk, then take your luggage and come to my office. No need to do anything. No need to pay anything. We'll take care of all these things. Okay. Whenever you enter my company, from that day onwards, your food and accommodation will be always free until you are working with us. Okay?
So first and foremost, make sure what you want. If you have confusion, please let me know. I'm here to tell you each and everything. Right? So, what is your doubts and confusion? I can.
And the class from which class?
Class means I don't get it. No, don't get confused. Ask me that.
Understand that they are reading what?
They will teach you practically. The person will lie down. They will teach you the special points. After that, once you done the course, you will be selected. But still, you have the training session every month for the improvisation. Why we do improvisation? Because the guests are coming, they're paying a lot of money. Definitely, they will ask you, if they are not relaxed, they will ask you a question. But once you learn the healing process, then you will be a healer. Healer means a semi-doctor.
So what about accommodation? Accommodation, there are 3 shifts in our company. The first shift, you can breakfast and lunch. Second shift, you will lunch like that. One day means 8 hours duty. 8 hours duty. 7 to 3:30. All company works for everybody. Accommodation, we will support you to get the local accommodation. But rent will be paid by the employee. Per head it will be around 600. 5 to 6 members together in the house means it will be less.
It's not like that you have to.
Food company will provide.
Training yang itu yang bentar assistant beauty therapist và spa là nhà thuốc để phim massage màแต่ก็ main focus yang itu yang place fee yang spa salon place fee แต่เอาเวลาที่นี้ minimum qualification ที่มีขนาดก็ pass class A ฉะนั้นแต่kerta atau man kakrah do lehasan yang bentar yang di keruh-kelut yang ke Meghalaya แต่ record dan MK ni to yang gini di MP ration card dari qualification certificate di pass ni pass kan atau kelas A channel ni dari UPA dari yang matric bila dan identity proof UPA dengan epic lagi birth certificate di no dan national tribe certificate yang kami ini dorong brutally dan kini ke training yang mana ada pi police pi Shabar mah untuk do goti challenge ye to Hyderabad ni Mumbai Delhi the police pi lagi 5-star hotel yang tu
Temut ikan ni sedang rasa kok kita temut kamu
kalau kini ke bas yang idau sedang fast
temut mana sedang ini dari Selong mah dari Shabar mah
direct live training cawi hari boy cha training di san banai hapsa saya tahu ini pun ini dah tahu free residential training program mut dari sa saya tahu sah jinglut jingsap lah detik lu ni mah untuk hidup tang setekar ni poro la bini ni saya tahu lah ni isa pulut by la yang pisah kita ni
temut menadap dari boy mut kata
yo ekra epi Shabar
Kata dispensability ini
naga company yang tatwa company ye bika check TATTV kita tak company go kere all over India place ki kena lagi 5-star hotels 4-star hotels
modal company modal lain tak modal isa ini harap siapa nusa hostel ini
dau quarter gini
kalau ni khop nala khop cái này cần đi làm hạt viết cần đi làm electronic đi xuống thôi áp hỏi cái đi hạt viết về electronic đi xuống thôi áp na guardi na shillong shigordi siap. Dia anda kena ada training nyo benai. Dan apa body part shadow placement in siap minggu. Nah yo. One time traveling to em, entah dah pelak apa shadow placement sila Trei. Sila Trei kena earn him one year kalau pelak apa nak sana job. Kat Shabar you all in one.
Pila Julai training em hone po di Ddk-Guy.
Oh, hai dari training.
Training hak ai ke trades.
SM unit.
SM unit. Apa ayu?
Po.
Mereka mana ai training pe? Wazir.
Wazir advisor.
Oh, okay. Tapi piwan mentang ni for information.
Mungkin nambah ke awareness program.
General awareness program. Belai na block office.
Ya.
Oh, tak. Tapi ni sepang ni job Mela. Kuno fitip pila awan ni pila expect banyak kam ya. Te pila le Ddk-Guy employers bedan ni.
Apa? Peer global.
First global. Ki ai mut sepang ke kata?
Sepang tailoring.
Sepang tailoring. Te pila jubah bah la yubah. PDP ya. Te pila yo ka offer letter.
Ya lah ya ni.
Apa ni offer letter? Okay. Kani mua maya mo? Kanu fila yo salary?
Katso hajar tam.
1,000 tam. Tapi kemen ne kemen office ngau?
Kemen bapa mungkin dikelat mau cuyo ari. Ya. Tunggu benang.
Tekan musnya pe.
Mut. Yo kerja ni ke jing kesam. Ya. Tentu kena kakam kam tam ya kalau baik kacongi ya tentu ya para keroro kam tam pun dengi kam tam pok mikhalaya duna kakam kajam pat kumjuru
nakam ta kena Samla du nakam nu jam tapi ku ai ki we ro bikin wan
jenlang
penyok kersan ni kesam te mekiro kena Samla sa wan so long pani long kung layo kani ka job offer ni te phiru saya wan te kani hi ka layo pila kani ka napo pearl global ha ka bagai ka company ka dai spang ka sujai te phiru sawan ni layo tulab ro khasaw jala tho kani ka offer letter ringin lap ni te to session nga pa banai kublai pi Soleh bahaga gym jumpi, Trei bahagam, tergiwer gen but nuksan pi.
Itu aku beli cipul.
Hello, my name is Sansma Nazari. I'm from Kashilang Hyundai. Our head office is from Maoyong. Our main purpose here today in this job fair event is to look for potential candidates in our two departments, sales and mechanic. So we came here, we got a good response. Close to around 30 candidates give their names, and some of them give their resumes. And what I find is that the candidates here, they lack skills, so it was difficult to find the right candidate. So hopefully the government provide them training in at least in soft skills department, so that we can help them get employment in our company. So anyway, we got some good response, and we will call some of them for a personal interview. And I really thank the office of Ddk-Guy for inviting us to this event. And thanks to them, we got some good response also. Thank you.
I'm coming here from D Mandarin. It is a hotel, 5-star hotel. We have located in Gangtok, Sikkim, Bangalore, and Goa. Currently, we have come here for a vacancy of Goa, and the department we are looking for service. And today, I have shortlisted 6 candidates from here, and we have registered around 12 candidates. And I'm thankful and to SID for the job Mela to give me the opportunities to hire candidates from this Jowai district and organize such a job Mela which help our youth to get job in a place like Goa. Thank you.
My name is Somnath Pujari. I'm working currently right now under Elementia Wellness Private Limited called Tatwa Spa. Currently I'm working in Polo Orchid Resort, Cherrapunji, Tatwa Spa, and we have selected 13 candidates from this location. So we thank you for Ddk-Guy Meghalaya for inviting us and organizing this
beautiful event. Thank you so much.
Mga Frankie Joshua Lingdo, ada kumu district project manager jong kaniga scheme Ddk-Guy. Te kaniga job Mela, ka dega way nag program jong kaniga scheme Ddk-Guy. Te kaniga Ddk-Guy kaniga skilling placement scheme, bangi ai training ikina dan bangi ai pat saka kam. Te ka kani hapo kaniga Ddk-Guy ngidon cibon ginong ai training, hagiliang baper nagaliang hospitality, nagaliang ka healthcare sector, nagaliang ka logistic, bad kumtar terter. Te kum kani ka job Mela ba ngila pelong ka sin benengkong hane po Gente Hills bangila combine ka East Gente Hills, bad ka West Gente Hills. Ha ka ba kini ki nong simbenta leni ki employers ki lawan keleng-keleng ri India. Ba filai himenta ngidon ki kini ki hospitality, ki logistic, ki retail, ki pantaloons, ki lawan keleng-keleng banyo recruit yagi kena jentia jungi kene galong kabuk share ha bagi kena dang wat kam wat jam ki dang jenjar banyo kam sarkar mentale filai kajing kedu kam humdai ke bakai te ngi lawan ra kum kene ka opportunity ne kalat ke kabuk share yagi kena jungi begin pet saprang bagin yo bagi kum ne kalat banyo Trei hagi company baper ban wan hidalade kasimpor bha ka takadang wan rai kene tenga kalong ka jing yo nong bha yaki khna yangi namar ba handu mentahi kilabun hi khna ke bala sayok kam nang ne ka yu tengi nang persang hi ban pelong hi kene ka program ne kum kene job Mela hagi wei ki district te kene ke sen kema ong mene sen ban kong te nis khmat ngin sa dang yai Trei te mentahi dikina gidan kam ban kali sepang ke gizat training kila ban wan hapo block office ka message kwa banai sekipi pai ba galong ne ba to sim ye kane ka book share nambar ba ngi ki khana kasi jongi ginyang hal jong ki kijat bangin kersan ne ga ying kasam lamba kane kalat ngiyo ban Trei bha ban pendap ging sem ngiyo ka experience ba nang ne skmat ba lese lesai ngiru ba gajing yo training jongi hang ne dan ne jing Trei jongi Shabar kan la bekersan ya ka ekonomi jong state jongi ya ka ying kasem jongi te kata hi ka wei nganong ifi ke kimi pa baki mdai ban khanglat ya khina jongi bagin explore ne ban yo ya kene ka kam namar ba pi hi poste jongi ka kam hi ka duna ba ta ka daw ta ai la di khnap Samla bagin once khamat ban sim bentah kene ka program jongi pilaban wan ro kumbaong mene pilaban wan haki block office pada district office